Hello and welcome to Craft with Sarah. It's an exciting day here as registration is now open for our third annual Card Making Countdown online event. I'll be sharing 14 new card making projects to make with a Cricut, Silhouette or Scan and Cut from the 12th to the 25th of June. A new mystery card making project will unlock every day during that time at 9 AM Eastern. The exact card designs are kept a secret until release day, but you can see some examples on the screen now. But this is not just 14 pre-designed cards. Oh no, this countdown is so much better. Instead, you'll learn 14 different card making techniques that you can then use to make different cards for any theme that you want. For example, you could use one of the day's projects and make a birthday card, and then use the same design for a graduation card or a thank you card or a Mother's Day card or any other occasion you can think of. You'll learn things such as various fun-filled techniques, interactive cards, cards that double up as gifts, and so much more. After the card making countdown, you'll be able to turn your newfound design space and Cricut knowledge into making cards for any theme or occasion. Whether you're new to making cards with your Cricut or you've been doing it for years, you're sure to find some new and exciting inspiration here in the Card Making Countdown. To register for your free ticket, head to craftwithsarah.com/cards26. By registering a free ticket, it means you'll get an email notification every day at 9 AM Eastern between the 12th and the 25th of June to let you know that that day's project is now available to download. You'll then have 24 hours to download the cut files for free. The tutorials and videos remain available after that time, but make sure you get that download within 24 hours because after that, it will no longer be free. If you're worried that you might not remember to download it each day, or if you'd rather get started now and get all of the projects straight away immediately, and a whole host of extra bonus files, check out the optional Instant Access Bundle. This is a VIP paid add-on to the Card Making Countdown that means you get immediate access to all the projects right now, and then your files do not expire. You can watch them, download them, do everything you want whenever you want. You'll also get a whole host of bonus files not included with the free tickets. These are 6 double-sided pop-out cards. The fronts of the cards are beautiful and fully decorated, but when you open up the cards, there's a pop-out design in there too that's pretty from both sides. 6 easel card blanks in various different shapes and styles. Add pattern paper or scrapbook paper to the middles for even more decoration, or add your own toppers, embellishments, card cutouts, stamping, whatever you want to do to add to your cards. 6 block builder sets. Each set contains 16 different squares on a particular theme. You can mix and match these squares to create endless card making combinations. The 6 sets that are included are Christmas, birthdays, Easter, summer, autumn, and sports. 6 3D box cards that pop out of the envelope to make an unusual stepped effect. Add pattern paper to the sides to enhance the decorations. 6 beautiful basket cards. These cards go together using folded tabs of cardstock, meaning you get a wonderful dimensional effect without needing to use any foam squares. And finally, the Instant Access Bundle gives you these 4 layered landscape cards for all seasons of the year. To find out how to get all those bonus designs and the 14 projects from the countdown right now, head to craftwithsarah.com/cards26bundle. The bundle is available for the entire period of the countdown, but it's at its most affordable price now. So if you think you might want to get the bundle, head to that link and check it out before the price goes up. But if you're taking part on the free ticket, that's absolutely fine too. You'll just need to remember to come every day during the countdown to download the free files. The link again to register a free ticket is craftwithsarah.com/cards26. If you've got any questions about the Card Making Countdown, you can email me at hello@craftwithsarah.com. I hope to see you when the countdown starts on June 12th. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!